Yes, bro, you did it again.
It's got an allergen
It's not
thing
even
for the
Valentine's
pet.
Day.
Oh no, her water. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh.
The new scratch and sniff box smells like chocolate.
Really?
So you said is it a gift?
Yeah, you're up. I know it. You might want to. I know, but you might want to separate it.
I'm gonna change clothes, Randall. Go ahead and please eat. That made me mad. You're for real. Don't do that to me. I love you, Parker.
Oh my god, please say it's not it. I'm gonna hurt you so bad. I'm gonna hurt you so bad if it's not. Oh my god, it's not! What is it? Hey, I need Destiny. Let me see your towel. I got. Ow!
Whoa, 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 whoa.
This video, you should have seen it.
That made me mad.
Wow, you smoked it.
Yep, there's his tail right there. Get it.
What are you talking about? Get it.
Gift card after mail-in rebate.
Ready when you are.
Bruce. He still gets it.
Crash? Why does it keep flying out of your
Find a
mouth?
bigger one.
What did you do?